Okay, ang gagawin lang natin is by Monday, please search BBM 2.0 and please add BBM 2.0 in your FB page, TikTok, and Instagram, and we'll be part of it. All the registrations will happen only the moment we launch the BBM 2.0 mobile application. Okay? Ang gagawin natin, that's going to be automated para if you're a voter or supporter, download the BPN 2.0 voter or supporter. If you're a leader, download the BPN 2.0 leader. Okay, yun.
So ayan mga kabayan, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Live po tayo sa Second Village mga kabayan. Kung saan po ay may meeting po ang ating video supporter na po sila nakapula mga kabayan. So ayan mga kabayan. Okay lang. Hindi nakakabol. Oo, nakakabol talaga ako. Sila naka-live. Sabi ko habol ako. Ano to yung idol fans? VIP meeting ng supporter ng PP. May karaban bukas pero hindi ako sama.
Para sa safety pa rin po nating lahat, no? So, ayan po, once again, I'm Miss Golden and Vicky. Enjoy your dinner!
Bukas po,